How to fix brother printer is offline issue. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. In Control Panel, you'll find View By on top right corner of your screen. Make sure it's in large icons. In here, click on Devices and Printers. Click on the printer that's having issue. Right-click on it. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Make sure you click Printer Properties and not Properties. After you click on Printer Properties, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Ports. In here, make sure there is tick mark in the number 1. This printer is not available on my device, so it is not shown. You will find port with different numbers. Simply make sure there's tick mark, click on apply, and then press on OK. After that, simply right click on your display and refresh it. You're good to go. That's how you fix brother printer is offline issue. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.